Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Let's eat this is what do you call? Squash. Like squash cake. Hindi pala. Squash ano to guys, it's like maha blanca. Ito naman is squash blanca. O di ba? Astig do. Ang galing-galing ko talaga mag-isip. Saan ka nakakita guys ng pension company instead of pension agency daw instead of pension company. Ayun, binaliktad ko. Yun nga guys, Diyos ko, no? Ano yun? Travel agency yung pension na lahat kayo nakanganga kung makukuha ko ba o hindi. Grabe yung mga neighbors ko, no? Alam mo, may kapitbahay ako, nuknukan niya ng mga inggitero yung mga yan. Alam mo na pahamak ang isa sa pamilya ko, yes. Dahil sa pagiging inggit-igit. Yeah. Nakakahiya man pero ganun nga ang ugali nila. Hanggang ngayon guys ay tinuturuan pa rin nila ako kung paano ako sumulat sa pension information. Di ko. Sad no? Kaluoy man ang mga tao. Oy. Mango pa sa akin. Saan ka nakakita? Pension agency? Ha? Huwag mapatayo ka ng agency pension or hindi ko alam kung baka naman mango pension ngayon. Kasi hindi ka kasi kumakain ng mango. Yung mango ay tulong para maging alam mo na, remove stupid in your brain because your brain is not working. And I think you need more iron to be your brain IQ is movement is working. How sad. Do you feel good? Have you been in school before you teach me or coaching me? Because I'm honest is, before you coaching me, be sure that you're good in English. Because if you're not good in English, be shy. Ashamed. Because you know what? I'm the type of person that I can travel. Because all over the world, it's okay if I'm gonna be rich. One day, maybe it's happened. But you know what? I'll never watch neighbors achievement and waiting how they get their own money and waiting that not waiting, wishing that I hope that they die because they are rich. Sad no? Sad yung mind green mo, no? Mind green mindset. How sad. I feel like I'm so very sad that you feel hawa the people here how they attack me. Nasanay ka ba mga atake sa akin dahil sa utos ng ganito, ganere, miying, miyaw. Anis is, sanay na ako na mayroong taong nang-aatake sa akin in front of my face and behind my back. Dati, makita mo lang ako na may 1,000 yayamanin. Ikaw, yayabagin, lilibagin, yayabangin. Ayun guys. Sino ka ba? Bugtong-bugtong, isang palakang maitim na mahilig mangialam sa buhay ko, na pinuputulan ko ng buntot noon para maging isang pilantod. Sino ka? O, diba? Bye! Comments below.